Huzur, how we see dreams, or the mechanism of dreams might be this is
the dreams are psychic phenomenon, a scientific phenomenon, and also a phenomenon which is completely controlled by Allah. In the psychic phenomenon, if you have experiences of day which impress you or which terrorize you, it's very likely that in the dreams you will feel the same. You see the dreams similar to your experiences. And in terrorizing dreams, sometimes you see snakes, and once you are terrorized and you continue to see snakes. In the dreams of nature of scientific dreams, which I said before, the scientists say that dreams are a phenomena where man's consciousness, they call it consciousness, but it is soul, according to the Holy Quran, begins to sink deeper and deeper until it touches the rock bottom. If it is not pushed back, then the person will die in sleep. And it's precisely timed. The scientists tell us that during the first sleep, after how many hours or minutes, the person, his consciousness is thrown back, and he is saved from death. And then again he begins to sink. Next time less interval is needed, and the third time is even lesser interval, but all is well calculated. How have the scientists discovered this timing? Is through the rapid eye movement. When people sleep and their soul is pushed back, the eyes begin to move rapidly right and left, and if you are watching a sleeping person at that time, you will see the movement of the eyeball from underneath the eye covers. So they have calculated all these things, and it's not just a hocus pocus, it's entirely based on science. Some people say it works like an atomic clock with complete precision. And the third type of dreams are those which are shown by Allah, where you are given messages of the future and they get fulfilled exactly as the messages from Allah are delivered. So you tell the people that I have seen this is going to happen, and that happens exactly like that. So this is the third type of dreams, which are pious dreams from God. Right? The verse where this phenomenon is mentioned is going to be recited by the Imam Sir first, and then we will do it in the Bangladesh translation as well.
So the verse is number 43 of Surah Az-Zumar, which is chapter number 39. Chapter 39, verse 43. A'udhu billahi minash shaitanir rajeem. Bismillahir rahmanir rahim. Allahu yatawaffal anfusa hina mautiha wallati lam tamut fi manamiha fayumsiku allati qaza alayha al-mauta wa yursilu al-ukhra ila ajalin musamma. Inna fi zalika la ayatin liqawmin yatafakkarun. Translation is, Allah takes away the souls of human beings at the time of their death, and during their sleep of those also that are not yet dead, and then He retains those against which He has decreed death, and sends back the others till an appointed term. In that surely are signs for a people who reflect.
The souls are pushed back The same phenomenon